Hello and welcome to Victoria Cars. Today we're talking about a car that hasn't been officially revealed yet, but is already generating serious excitement. The Volvo EX60 2026. This is not just another electric SUV. It could be the electric successor to the iconic Volvo EX60. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. The Volvo EX60 is an all-electric midsize SUV designed to eventually take the place of the XC60 in Volvo's lineup. And that's a big deal, because the XC60 has been one of Volvo's global bestsellers for years. What makes the EX60 special is that it's being developed as a fully electric car from the ground up, not a converted gasoline model. That means better interior space, improved proportions, a modern electric platform, and a completely new driving experience. Volvo's design philosophy has always been about elegance, not aggression, and the EX60 follows that idea perfectly. We expect to see a clean, closed front grille signature, Thor's hammer LED headlights, smooth, simple body lines, aerodynamic wheels, flush door handles. The overall look should be minimalist, premium, and unmistakably Scandinavian. The EX60 is expected to be packed with smart tech, Google Maps built-in Google Assistant over-the-air software updates, personalized driver profiles. In other words, the car will keep getting better over time without you needing to visit a dealership. Advanced driver assistance systems will also play a big role, monitoring traffic, road conditions, and even driver attention. Safety has always been Volvo's strongest card, and the EX60 is no exception. Expected safety features include next-generation collision avoidance, improved cameras and radar systems, optional LiDAR in higher trims, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, advanced highway and city assistance. Volvo's long-term goal is clear: zero fatalities in Volvo vehicles, and the EX60 is a major step towards that vision. While final specs haven't been officially confirmed yet, we can expect a competitive, real-world driving range, fast charging capability, single motor and dual motor versions, all-wheel drive and higher trims. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you think about the EX60. Would you consider one for yourself? And subscribe to the channel for more automotive content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.